Many people think they can file their own taxes, but they really need to keep in mind that they might be missing opportunities to get tax refunds if they do it themselves.
Everyone's busy this time of the year, but taking advantage of reviewing your taxes now might save you a few bucks on your tax return, because you might take the opportunity to do some charitable giving, add some money to investment accounts, or even if you have any healthcare issues you want to take care of before the year end, all of those could be potential deductions on your tax return.
Jim and Mike are both small business owners. They both use a CPA. Jim also uses a CPA for his personal taxes.
I don't enjoy doing taxes, but strangely some people do. So I hired someone that's good at it, that can track the numbers.
I hired a CPA because I needed to be able to get the answers I need monthly, quarterly, yearly, someone I can get a hold of, either texting or emailing, and get questions answered.
People miss deductions and that they're eligible for all the time. Never miss a deduction because you are afraid to take it. The tax code is very complicated, long, and scary, and it's professionals' job to make sure that you feel confident about what you're deducting.
Although it was an expense that I couldn't see myself necessarily being comfortable with, I went ahead and took the leap, hired a CPA, gave them all the paperwork, and it was such a relief at first. So my first reaction was, wow, this is nice. I'm willing to pay someone to do this for me. But then I quickly realized that it was an investment, because she found things that I hadn't noticed. She told me and reassured me that I would never have to deal with the IRS, that that was her job. In the case of an audit, that she would be the one going in between and just asking me for exactly what she needed to help get through that time. So don't be nervous about audits.
So should you hire help or should you go it alone? It's probably fine for most people with simple tax situations to do it themselves. However, if you have a more complex situation, you should consider contacting a professional. You could consider also having the same person prepare your taxes year after year. The longer you work with one individual, the more familiar they become with your needs and the more likely they are to do a better job for you. For ABC 10 News Now, I'm Cynthia Thompson.